Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Venue. In recent times, whether on social media, on news, or even our personal lives are flowing with COVID news. So here is an initiative to give you a break from the chain. Please like, subscribe and share if you like our video.
Save your life with a salad. It will just take a salad to save your life. In India's state of Uttar Pradesh, a man named Murli Singh became furious on his wife for not serving salad with his meal. The person could not control his anger and killed his wife. The incident was witnessed by their 20-year-old son, who tried to save his mother but was critically injured by the accused in the process to do so. The man is not in police custody yet, and the police are searching for him. It seems some people really need to work on their anger issues. Lost and found. Have you ever left your phone in the cab you booked? If yes, this story is going to motivate you. A Uber driver in London returned a woman's lost iPhone after she left it in his cab, when she coincidentally booked the same cab after 8 months. He could not do it earlier as he had no way of contacting her. This incident has definitely restored our faith in humanity.
Obsessed with selfie? This news is for selfie lovers. How far can you go to take a selfie? In Congo, amid a volcano eruption which destroyed more than 500 homes and killed many people, few people had the courage to stop in between of the evacuation and take selfie in front of molten lava that was flowing through it with thick smoke.
Hi everyone, do you know we may get prize for getting vaccinated? Yes, this is true. If you are a resident of Northern Thailand, a district in Northern Thailand has launched Rafael campaign where one lucky vaccinated person will be randomly chosen every week and will win a cow worth $319 or 10,000 baht. The campaign will run for 24 weeks. It is done to encourage the locals there to get vaccinated. So now there is a prize for getting vaccinated.
Never throw your lottery away. It is true that no legacy is so rich as honesty. Leah Rose bought a Diamond Million scratch-off ticket worth $1 at a lottery store. She scratched half of the card and threw away as she thought it was not a win. The ticket sat in a pile of store for 10 days until the owner noticed the unfinished ticket. She had won lottery worth 7.2 crore. The family decided to return the ticket. In this video, we will try out to find the value of E equals to mc square. That's right. The value of E equals to mc square is 1.24 million. Many of you might be puzzled by this value. Then listen to this news. Albert Einstein is one of the greatest physicists. He is known for developing various theories. One of them was establishment of the famous equation E equals to mc square. A handwritten letter where Einstein wrote this famous equation. This letter was presented in an auction and was sold for $1.24 million.
Have you ever tried to sell a bomb online? In UK, a man named Mark William found a live World War II era bomb that he dug up from near his brother's home in UK's hemisphere. What he did next was unbelievable. He listed the deadly weapon on e-commerce website eBay. Soon the police raided his house and arrested him, and the families were evacuated for controlled explosion. The man was later released. Beware of what you are selling online. A TikTok invitation of a birthday create chaos in US. Next time you are alone on your birthday, try inviting people on TikTok. You might be surprised like this story. A TikTok invitation of a birthday celebration goes viral in United States. Hundreds of party goers reached on Huntington Beach, California on Saturday night. The party was originally posted on TikTok as a meetup called Andrean's Kickback by one of the users for his birthday celebration. The post went viral throughout this week, spawning a hashtag that was viewed more than 203 million times on the app, which resulted in massive gathering over the weekend in the beach, California, requiring police to break up the party and leading to nearly 150 arrests. An entire flight in 18K. It is not necessary to be ultra rich or become prime minister to travel in a flight alone. All it needs is just some luck. On May 19, 2021, a 40-year-old passenger named Mr. Bhavesh Javeri was the only passenger on board in a 360-seater Emirates flight from Mumbai to Dubai. However, he paid ticket amount of Rs 18,000 for an economy class. He was also a golden visa holder. Such occurrence is rare, but there have been few in the past. However, such instances have increased in the pandemic.
Everyone has played Ludo during our lifetime. Though it is board game, it has gained online popularity recently. Games we play are divided into two categories, namely game of chance or game of skill. A game of chance is a game whose outcome is strongly influenced by some randomizing device, such as in gambling. Game of skill is whose outcome is determined either by physical or mental skill rather than chance. In this context, the Bombay High Court has sought the response of the Maharashtra government on a plea seeking a declaration that Ludo is a game of chance and not a game of skill, in response to a petition filed by Keshav Ramesh in India. What is your opinion about the game? Let us know in the comment section. And please subscribe our channel for our next edition on COVID break.